Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is from grade 8. This is revised K to 12. So first is what are polynomials, monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay, so yung objective natin dito is we have to define a polynomial. Second, we have to classify polynomials by the number of terms and by the degree. Okay, so what is a polynomial? So polynomial from Greek word poly meaning many, nominal meaning name. A polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression consisting of one or more terms, where each term is a constant, variable, or a product of constants or coefficient, and variables raised to a non-negative integer exponent. Okay, so K and conditions for a polynomial, or K conditions for a polynomial. First, exponents must be whole numbers. Okay? Zero or positive integers. So, yun ang mga exponent. Pwede siya 0 or any positive integers. Okay, so yung na-check natin dyan, so yung exponent is positive. This is x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So this is valid. Ibig sabihin, this is an example of a polynomial. Yung next is x raised to the power of 1.5. So invalid yan. So another one, x raised to the power of negative 2. Invalid pa rin yan because of negative exponent. Second, variables must not appear in the denominator or on the radical. So hindi siya pwedeng yung denominator ay variable or on the radical. So example, so 4x squared minus 3x plus 7, this is valid. Valid yan. And 4 over 3 times x raised to the power of 4 minus 1/2 times x plus 6 is valid pa rin yan. Yung invalid kapag yung denominator, yung 1 over x, so invalid yan because of the denominator na variable. Another one, invalid pa rin yan because variable niya under a root, so under radical. The square root of root x, the square root of x, yan. So kapag ganyan ang square root of x, so hindi yan siya belong sa polynomial. Third is coefficient can be any real number. Okay, yung coefficients, any real number, integers, fraction, or decimal, ang coefficient. So pag mayroon siyang radical, hindi na siya pwede. Okay, so invalid yan, yung dalawa. So dapat integers lang, fraction, or any decimal. So pwede siya magiging polynomial. Next, polynomials, form, and degree. So polynomial standard form. So yan ang standard form ng polynomial. Okay? So the exponents is decreasing order. So dapat naka-arrange siya. So from yung high degree, pababa siya. Okay? So, example, the degree of a term is the exponent of its variable, while the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree appearing in any of terms in that polynomial. Example, 5x squared plus 3x plus 7. So, naka-arrange yung degree of exponent in descending order or decreasing order. Okay? So, yung x mayroong exponent na 2, yung x mayroong exponent na 1, si 3x, di ba? 5x squared, so exponent niya is 2. 3x, exponent niya is 1. So, decreasing order. So, yung degree natin dito, degree of exponent is 2. Highest degree of exponent. Next, x cubed plus 4x squared minus x. So, highest degree is 3. Okay? 2x4 plus x squared plus 1. Highest degree natin dito is 4. So, if a term consists of two or more variables, the degree of a term is the sum of the exponents of the variable. So 25a to the fourth power plus 16a squared minus 8ay cubed plus y raised to the power of 6 plus 7a minus 10a squared y cubed plus 40a cubed minus 12. So, yung degree natin dito, yung first term sa 25a to the fourth power, yung degree of exponent is 4. Second term, degree of exponent niya is 2. Yan, a squared. Yan, 2. Then dito sa third term, 8ay cubed. So, take note si a may exponent ng 1 yan. Then, plus 3. So, that is 4. Ayan. The next term is y to the 6th power. Okay, 6 yung degree of exponent. 7a, that is 1. Okay, 10a squared y cubed. So, i-add natin yung dalawang exponent. So, that is 5. Yung degree of exponent na kanana term. Then next is 40a cubed. So yung degree of exponent is 3. Then dito sa minus 12, so degree of exponent is 0. Okay. So ngayon, i-arrange mo yan in decreasing order. Dapat pinakamalaki, pababa. Di ba? So yan. 6 yung highest degree, di ba? Degree of polynomial is 6. So yung standard form, i-arrange natin yan. Okay, so y to the 6th power minus 10a squared y cubed minus 8ay cubed plus 25a to the 4th power plus 40a cubed plus 16a squared plus 7a minus 12. Okay. Next, classification of polynomials. So, classification of polynomials by the number of terms. And bigay tayo ng example. So, sa monomial, so 1 term lang yan. So, 7x cubed, so 1 term. Sa binomial, so 2 terms. Okay? 3x squared minus 2x. So, 2 terms na yan. Trinomial, 3 terms. X cubed plus 4x minus 5, so 3 terms. And polynomial, so general term for any expression with 1 or more terms. So, yung monomial, binomial, trinomial, ay polynomial din yan. Okay? So, ang polynomial is a general term for any expression, either monomial, binomial, or trinomial. So, classification of polynomial by the degree. So, constant polynomial, yung degree niya is 0. So, example is 5. Or any constant number, or any number. So, basta wala siyang variable. So, 0 yung kanyang degree. Yan. Fraction, number, basta wala siyang variable, 0 yung degree of exponent. Linear polynomial, ayan, degree niya is 1. So, yan, negative 5y, so yung merong exponent yan na 1. So, 3x plus 2, so merong exponent si x na 1. Okay? 0.5a minus 7, so merong exponent si a na 1. So, yung degree of exponent niya is 1. Next, quadratic polynomial. So, pag quadratic, so yung degree of exponent niya is 2. So, y squared minus 9. So, quadratic yan. Because of squared. So, yung degree of exponent is 2. 5a squared minus 7a plus 1. So, yung degree of exponent niya is 2. Another one, cubic polynomial. So, cubic polynomial, yung degree of exponent is 3. So, a cubed plus 4a squared plus 3. So, 3 yung degree of exponent. Cubic polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. So, sa quadratic polynomial, yung degree of exponent niya is 4. So, x to the 4th power minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7. Quintic polynomial, this is degree of 5. Ayan. So, polynomial of higher degree, so degree 6 or more. Okay. So, example, 6 degree polynomial, 7 degree polynomial, etc., etc. Okay. So, your assignment, check or mark before the number if the given expression is a polynomial and put x if not polynomial. So, ipasa lang or submit mo na lang sa Monday or next week. Then, activity 2, yan po. So, determine mo yung classification sa polynomial by number of terms and by the degree. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat.